For 28, I'm trying to simplify, and we can leave our variable answers in exponent form, but there should be no negative exponents left. So when I'm multiplying like bases, and I have like bases here, they're both 5, I want to add my exponents. So if I add these, this is going to be 5 to the 2/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3, and 3/3 is just 1, and 1, or taking 5 to the 1, is just 5. With 29, I have the same bases, they're both x's, so I need to add these, but 1/2 and 2/3, those aren't, they don't have the same denominator. So I can build them up to both be having 6 as a denominator. So 1/2 is 3/6, and 2/3 is 4/6. So then when you multiply them, you're actually adding the exponents, and that will be 7/6. If you want to just add from the beginning 1/2 plus 2/3, you can just add it up, and your calculator will handle the LCD, and you don't have to do this step right here. So if you want to use the calculator, you can get to the 7/6 automatically.